Think sneezing is just a loud annoyance? Think again, it might just crack you up, literally. So here's the sneezy scoop. When you sneeze, air blasts out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car on the highway. Now, with all that explosive action, your chest tightens and muscles contract super quickly. And sometimes, if the stars, or should I say, sneezes align, this can actually lead to a broken rib. Ouch. But wait, it gets weirder. It's not just the big, dramatic sneezes. Even a sudden sharp sneeze while you're twisting or turning can put enough stress on your ribs to crack one. And if you're thinking, that'll never happen to me, well, it's rare, but not as rare as you might think. Doctors see cases more often than you'd expect. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, maybe don't hold back, but definitely brace yourself, because let's face it, sneezing is more powerful than you thought.